Hello there. We're on week 7 and 8. Now, I'm showing you the assignment directions because you're not reading them. So I want to go over them a little bit more. On 7 and 8, you're putting it together. You'll learn a little more when you watch video 2, PowerPoint animation, and video 3. These videos will show you the tools that you continue to use, and you have 2 weeks to finish the project. It's due May 26th. All right, this first part is what you had last week. You had to turn in 5 slides. That's all. So if you did not do that, you may want to fix that now so that you can add it to this show and not lose points. Now, slide 6 is where your assignment begins for this week. Slide 7 is on and on and on. You'll create an ongoing show using the characters you made. Some of you have games, some have conversations, some have careers, hobbies, etc., and the things that you got going on. Every slide should have a commentary taking place. Remember, you duplicate your slides around 3 times so you have the time to read the slide as it's moving. And when you duplicate it, you have to go to that slide and make a movement. Then you duplicate it and make another movement. So some of you will have a minimum of 50 slides and some many more. The animation 2, I'll put on there in a few minutes, and the 3 is already there. Here is your rubric, and this will be a little bit different when I upload it. Slides 1 through 5 is what you got graded on last week. You're done with that. Slide 6 is where you start, and notice the points. So you're getting graded on what you have. Slide 6 is the beginning of your show. You're taking what you did up here and you're creating your show. Slide 7, how your show moves. So when I click through, am I seeing that these were duplicated? I can read them. You're showing commentary. Does each slide talk? I want to see that it's saying something and you're copying them for 3 times basically. Then the continuing. Does the show follow a storyline? Does it keep going and make me see where you're headed? The number of slides. The show has more than 49 slides. The show was a hit and follows instructions. How hard is that? That's 40 points right there that you followed the instructions. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you a PowerPoint. This is on slide 6. And here we go. So here it says the same thing. He added something though. I see that. He changed the way the word set. That's fine. So I keep going. I go. And slide 7, 8, 9, 10. Up, no commentary. Up, there it is again. Then I'm lost. All right, so he's not showing commentary on every slide. But the show is moving awesome. But you lose those points when you're missing that on a couple slides. So I wanted to make sure you saw that. Now, this slide, I keep going. I'm down here in 39. Here's 45. Here's 47, 48, 49, 50. I go all the way to 54. But there was no real ending. And I keep going back and I'm like, okay, where's the ending? So I need some kind of closure. And here he says, why are parks always empty? Well, I don't know, but I didn't get a closure. Then I added a few more slides to kind of get an idea. She's teaching a lesson. She doesn't want to go home. Then here's a couple other things. Hello, we like solutions, being proactive. Here's a skateboarder going downhill. But make sure the commentary. Here's a commentary. Up, here's one. There's none there. So make sure you've got something. And I just added a few other slides for you to see. Um, I had a question from a student on doing something like this. So I'm showing these. You already saw how we made those. Now, this is a policeman, and he wanted a hat. Well, I had to go to the internet, get the hat, and then I had to put it into the show. Here is just a funny face with a police hat on. And then what I did was I sized this to fit the body, and then I put it on the body. Now, if I go to the internet and I type in police hat image and hit enter, I get these police hats. But when they open, am I going to be able to get them? I need an image. So I'm going to take this one and well, I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to insert it over here. Now I have it. Now I see all this extra stuff on it. I want to go to format and I want to set it transparent. And that didn't work on that one. I'm going to get another image. When something doesn't work, then you try something else. And okay. Now it's already white in the background, but I'm still going to set it as transparent. And I just click there. So now I've got a better hat. Or I take and copy that, go back here, and I paste that hat, and I resize it. It needs to go a lot smaller. But now I have a hat on him. So you see the different ways you can do some stuff. That's it for today. Enjoy the project.